Hi everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. How are you all? I hope you all fine, enjoying your life well. Today we are hooking up our droppable and amazing style comfortable skirts, baby skirts, crochet baby skirts designs ideas. Get ready to create a sweet and delicate garment for your little ones. In this video we will be making a stylish crochet baby skirts designs ideas. These are amazing and perfect for any occasion. This skirt is sure to impress. Hope so you like this video and hope so you like all the ideas, all the designs. So please watch this video till end and please tell me in comment section which type of new video you want to see in my YouTube channel. I will upload it next video about your comment. First, let's start with the foundation chain. Next, we will add the pattern and texture. To shape the waist belt, we will use techniques. Experiment with different yarn, color and texture. Try using different stitches, pattern or baby frock style. Add embellishment like button, bow, applique work, beads, pearls, stones and many other accessories you use and decor your baby skirts, baby garments easily. And that's it, your crochet baby skirts is ready to wear complete. If you want more information about crochet work and knitting work, so please tell me in comment section which type of new video you want to see in my YouTube channel. I will upload it next video about your comment. Keep watching my more different ideas till end and keep praying for me. May Allah will live long, stay happy and stay blessed for me. If you want any question, if you want any idea about crochet work and knitting work, so please tell me in comment section. And please be share your creativity with us on social media account using hashtag. Check out our next new more videos about crochet work and knitting work. These are amazing and perfect for gift babies and ladies. If you want more information about crochet work and knitting work, so please tell me in comment section. I will upload it full DIY tutorial for you. Please visit my YouTube channel and watch full DIY tutorial about different collections. I will upload many different type of videos on my YouTube channel such as crochet work, baby frock, ladies dresses, crop top, ladies shirt, bags, home decoration ideas such as bed sheet designs, curtains, crochet work, pillow covers, wall hanging and many other ideas. You visit my channel and watch for more different ideas about crochet work and knitting work. If you want to buy this, you visit many different websites such as daraz.pk, AliExpress, Etsy.com, Clicky and my official website Be Patron. You visit and order your favorite design and pattern. Okay viewers, thanks for watch this video and thanks for stitching along with me today. Do not forget to subscribe and hit the notification bell to let my daily routine videos that I have upload daily for you. Okay viewers, thanks for watching. Take care. Bye bye.